Hi everyone! This morning I had the chance to have three marvelous secondary 5 students with me in Google Meet. Some told me that they had a hard time to find everything they needed with their book because when they entered the activation code from the beginning of the year, with their password, it gives them access to the interactive activities, which I want them to be able to have access to videos and listening comprehensions. So I will show you today how to do it. Be indulgent. This is my first video on YouTube. Here. So because on track 5 is from Erpi, you will need to go on Erpi. And you will go to Je suis un parent d'un élève, c'est pas vrai, je suis un élève au secondaire. Ensuite, you will have to go to ma biblio virtuelle secondaire. And then you will arrive with the access of many different books. Even if with your other subject, geography, math, whatever, you don't have an Erpi book, here you have them all. So if you want to consult them, you may. But you need to use the one suggested that is on track 5. And you click on activity book. And you arrive with the book. So as we did today, we talked about traveling around the world and traveling to change the world. Some read a story, the other one read another one. So just to be up to date, so I want you for the next Google Meet to all read from what you will receive from the secretary. So you have a plan. So you will watch a video, you will read a text, you will do activities about the phrasal verbs, and then after next Google Meet, we will sum up everything because we will discuss all about it. So hope you have a nice weekend. See you next Thursday. Bye-bye.